Imagine a world teeming with life, where every corner of the land is filled with the sounds and sights of magnificent creatures. Giant sauropods with long necks graze on towering ferns, their massive bodies moving gracefully through the dense vegetation. Fearsome tyrannosaurs rule as apex predators, their powerful jaws and sharp teeth making them the kings of the prehistoric jungle. Pterosaurs with vast wingspans soar through prehistoric skies, their silhouettes casting shadows over the land below. This was the age of dinosaurs, a period spanning millions of years where these incredible creatures dominated the Earth. Then, approximately 66 million years ago, this vibrant world was forever altered by a cataclysmic event. A cataclysmic event wiped out these magnificent creatures, leaving behind only scattered bones and endless questions about their sudden disappearance. This is the story of the great dinosaur extinction, a mystery that continues to intrigue scientists and ignite our imaginations as we uncover more clues. The extinction event marked the end of the Cretaceous period and the Mesozoic era, ushering in the Cenozoic era, the age of mammals where new forms of life began to flourish. The disappearance of the dinosaurs, along with countless other species, remains one of the most profound mysteries in Earth's history, a puzzle that scientists are still trying to piece together. What could have caused such widespread devastation, wiping out creatures that had thrived for so long? Was it a massive asteroid impact, volcanic eruptions, or a combination of catastrophic events? The answer, like the pieces of a giant puzzle, lies scattered across the globe, hidden in ancient rocks and fossilized remains, waiting to be discovered and understood by those who seek to unravel the past. The most widely accepted theory for the dinosaur extinction is a catastrophic asteroid impact. This event is believed to have occurred around 66 million years ago, marking the end of the Cretaceous period and the beginning of the Paleogene period. This theory emerged in the 1980s when scientists discovered a layer of iridium in geological strata dating back to the end of the Cretaceous period. The discovery was groundbreaking and provided a crucial clue in understanding the mass extinction event. Iridium is a rare element on Earth but abundant in asteroids and comets. Its presence in the geological layer suggested an extraterrestrial origin, pointing towards a massive impact event. This global iridium layer provided strong evidence for an extraterrestrial impact. The layer was found in various locations around the world, indicating a widespread distribution of the element. The impact site, known as the Chicxulub crater, lies buried beneath the Yucatan Peninsula in Mexico. This crater is one of the largest confirmed impact structures on Earth. The crater spans over 180 kilometers, or 110 miles in diameter, a testament to the immense size of the asteroid, estimated to have been around 10 kilometers or 6 miles wide. The sheer scale of the crater highlights the magnitude of the impact. The impact itself would have released an unimaginable amount of energy, equivalent to billions of atomic bombs detonating simultaneously. This colossal release of energy caused immediate and widespread devastation. The immediate consequences were catastrophic. The impact would have triggered massive wildfires, tsunamis, and a nuclear winter effect, drastically altering the Earth's climate and leading to the mass extinction of the dinosaurs and many other species. The impact unleashed a chain reaction of devastating events. Imagine a colossal shockwave radiating outwards, triggering earthquakes, volcanic eruptions, and tsunamis of unimaginable scale. Molten rock ejected from the impact site rained down across the globe, igniting widespread wildfires. The atmosphere itself would have been superheated, instantly killing countless organisms. Those that survived the initial impact faced a grim and uncertain future. The air, thick with dust, ash, and debris, blocked out the sun, plunging the planet into a state of perpetual darkness. This marked the beginning of a prolonged period of global cooling, a stark contrast to the warm, humid climate that dinosaurs had thrived in for millions of years. With the sun obscured, photosynthesis, the foundation of most ecosystems, ground to a halt. Plants withered and died, depriving herbivores of their food source. As plant eaters perished, carnivores too succumbed to starvation, their once thriving food chain collapsing like a house of cards. The impact also released massive amounts of sulfur into the atmosphere. This sulfur, combined with water vapor, formed sulfuric acid aerosols that reflected sunlight away from Earth, further exacerbating the global cooling effect. This phenomenon, known as impact winter, is believed to have lasted for years, if not decades, plunging the planet into a prolonged period of darkness and freezing temperatures. While the asteroid impact is the most widely accepted theory for the dinosaur extinction, it's not the only suspect in this prehistoric whodunit. Another contender is massive volcanic activity, particularly in a region known as the Deccan Traps in what is now India. Around the same time as the Chicxulub impact, the Deccan Traps were experiencing a period of intense volcanic eruptions, spewing out vast quantities of lava, ash, and greenhouse gases like carbon dioxide and sulfur dioxide. These eruptions lasted for hundreds of thousands of years, releasing enough toxic gases to alter the Earth's climate significantly. Whether caused by an asteroid impact, volcanic eruptions, or a combination of both, the Earth's climate underwent a dramatic shift at the end of the Cretaceous period. The once stable and warm environment that dinosaurs had flourished in for millions of years became increasingly unpredictable and hostile. The combination of impact winter, volcanic winter, and pre-existing climate change created a perfect storm, pushing many species to the brink. The dinosaurs, despite their dominance, were ultimately unable to adapt to these rapid and extreme environmental changes. Their reign came to an abrupt and dramatic end, paving the way for the rise of new forms of life. The Great Extinction event was not an equal opportunity destroyer. It wiped out a vast number of species, but not all life forms were equally affected. While the dinosaurs and many other large animals perished, some species managed to weather the storm and survive. These survivors included small mammals, reptiles, and even some birds. These survivors tended to be smaller, more adaptable creatures with diverse diets and the ability to burrow underground or seek shelter from the harsh conditions. Their adaptability was key to their survival. Mammals in particular benefited from the extinction of the dinosaurs. With the large predators gone, they had the opportunity to explore new niches and environments. With their larger predators gone, mammals were able to diversify and evolve, eventually becoming the dominant land animals on Earth. This period marked the beginning of a new era for mammals. Birds, the descendants of avian dinosaurs, also survived and thrived, inheriting the skies once ruled by pterosaurs. They adapted to the changing world and continued to evolve. The extinction event, while devastating, ultimately paved the way for the emergence of new and diverse forms of life. It was a turning point in the history of our planet, leading to the rich biodiversity we see today. Rise of the feathered dynasty. Birds inherit the Earth. Among the survivors of the extinction event were small, feathered dinosaurs, the ancestors of modern birds. These feathered dinosaurs possessed a unique combination of traits that enabled them to endure the harsh conditions. Their small size, ability to fly, and diverse diets, which included seeds and insects, provided them with a survival advantage. With the dinosaurs gone, birds entered a new era of opportunity. They diversified rapidly, evolving into a dazzling array of species, from tiny hummingbirds to giant ostriches. Birds inherited the skies and spread across the globe, becoming one of the most successful and diverse groups of vertebrates on Earth. Unraveling the past modern research and discoveries. The mystery of the dinosaur extinction continues to fascinate scientists today. Advances in technology and ongoing research are constantly refining our understanding of this pivotal event in Earth's history. Paleontologists continue to unearth new fossils, providing valuable clues about the lives and deaths of dinosaurs. Geologists are analyzing the Chicxulub crater and the Deccan Traps in greater detail, using sophisticated techniques to model the impact and volcanic eruptions respectively. Climate scientists are developing ever more complex models to simulate the environmental consequences of these events, piecing together the chain of events that led to the extinction. The Great Extinction, a puzzle with missing pieces. While we have learned a great deal about the dinosaur extinction, many questions remain unanswered. The exact sequence of events, the relative contributions of the asteroid impact and volcanic activity, and the specific reasons why some species survived while others perished, are still subjects of ongoing debate and research. The extinction of the dinosaurs serves as a stark reminder of the power of nature and the vulnerability of life on Earth. It highlights the interconnectedness of Earth's systems and the profound impact that seemingly unrelated events can have on the planet and its inhabitants. Lessons from extinction. A warning for the future. The extinction of the dinosaurs is not just an ancient mystery, it holds valuable lessons for us today. As we grapple with the challenges of climate change, habitat loss and biodiversity decline, understanding the causes and consequences of past extinction events can help us navigate the future. By studying the past, we can learn from the mistakes of ancient history and strive to create a more sustainable future for all life on Earth. The dinosaurs may be gone, but their story serves as a powerful reminder of our planet's fragility and the importance of protecting the incredible diversity of life that exists today.